Before snakeskin enters the factory and transforms into a finished product like luxury jackets, its story begins here.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how snakeskin is made into luxury jackets. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours.
Length is good, consistent width across the dorsal.
Scale rows are flawless. Mark this one for premium finishing.
No, the alignment is off on this one.
Divert.
But this one is flawless. Approved for tanning.
Full farm-to-factory traceability is locked in permanently. Luxury requires transparency.
This batch is perfect. Proceed to the drums.
Confirmed.
Ensure the chrome is exactly 150 grams for the Python batch.
Confirmed. I'm starting the vegetable mix now.
Tannin fixation is steady at 85%.
Good, the rotation is maintaining uniformity.
Temperature stable at 100 Celsius. The sample is fully boil-proof. Approved.
Pull it up slowly. All right, bring it over to the rack now. Keep it steady.
There's a slight bleed on the sapphire here.
I see it. Let's try the fine tip.
Much better. The color consistency is now flawless. This panel is flawless. Go ahead and stamp it for assembly. What do you think about this section here?
Just a millimeter to the left, then it's seamless.
Just a slight imperfection here. There we are.
Flawless now. Go ahead and tag it.
And turn. Hold it right there. Beautiful. One more, chin slightly up.
Is the Python leather shipment. Handle with care.
Always. It's fully insured and tracked.
The stitching here, slightly uneven.
No, it passes the macro test. It is perfect.
The finish is durable, showing no signs of cracking or stiffness.
Excellent. The drape and softness confirm the premium feel.
Secure and organized, safeguarding investment pieces. The controlled environment prevents drying or color shift in finished garments.
fit is absolutely perfect. I've never had a jacket feel this good.
It truly suits you. The craftsmanship is exquisite.
Thank you for contacting us. I'm pleased to confirm the authenticity of your garment. We've also updated your file regarding the lifetime care service.
This report details our full supply chain, confirming our commitment to responsible luxury.
It certainly builds confidence in the industry.
Steady hands are crucial here. Follow the line precisely, just like we practiced. This ensures the legacy of the craft.
Wow, that's just fantastic.
Wow. To wearable art, every snake leather jacket represents Astropulse.